Hi friends, we're learning about chickens and chicks today. If you haven't had a chance to watch my video, How a Chick Grows, I want you to watch that before you join us for this next activity, okay? We're going to be writing about a chicken's life cycle. Now, you might be able to do this writing activity all on your own. I'll get you started and then you can turn the video off and you can work on your writing. Writing is so very important, so I hope you'll do this activity with me. But if you're needing a little extra help, then watch the entire video and you can write along with me, okay? Well, let's get started. What's the very first thing that happens in the life of a chicken? They hatch from an egg, right? Yeah, they have to be born. So let's start with the word first. F-I-R-S-T. That's a very important word when you're talking about different stages in a life cycle. First, a chick hatches from an egg. So let's finish writing that. First, a chick hatches from an egg. I have the word first. First, a chick. Do you remember the letters that make that ch sound? C-H, yep. First, a chick hatches. Stretch out that word hatches. I bet you'll hear lots of letters. First, a chick hatches from, do you remember how to spell the word from? F-R-O-M, you got it, from. And now we need the word an. A-N, awesome. I don't think I have enough room here, so I'm gonna come back to the left and write the word an. First, a chick hatches from an egg. That's the last word in our sentence. And what do we need to put at the end to show we're done with that sentence? A period, you've got it. Let's read it to make sure it makes sense. First, a chick hatches from an egg. Awesome. What happens after the chick hatches from the egg? It grows, right? Yeah, a chick grows into an adult chicken. So why don't we write that? And we're going to use the word next because that's what happens next in the life cycle. Let's use the word next. Uppercase N-E-X-T. You've got it. Next, the chick grows into an adult chicken. Next, the chick. Do you remember the word chick we used up here? We're just going to use that same word again. Next, the chick grows. Yes, that chick grows. And what does it grow into? It grows into an adult chicken. So we're going to finish that in our sentence. Next, the chick grows into, and we need that word and again, A-N, and adult. The word adult sounds like it would start with a U, adult, but it's the A making that sound. Adult chicken. I have the word chicken right up here. You can just look and write it down. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Awesome. We don't need to add the S up there because we're just talking about one chicken right now. Next, the chick grows into an adult chicken. I'm done with that sentence, so I'm going to put a period. Let's see what we have so far. First, a chick hatches from an egg. Next, the chick grows into an adult chicken. Well, what happens once it's an adult? It lays some eggs of its own. Yeah, so why don't we write the word then? Then the chicken lays some eggs. Okay, so we're going to use the word then. Then we need that word chicken again. Chicken's up here, and we already wrote it in one of our other sentences, so you could look at your other sentence. Then the chicken lays some eggs. Yeah, lays some eggs. Then the chicken lays some eggs. I'm done with that sentence. Okay, well, what happens after the hen lays the eggs? Those eggs are going to hatch into chicks. The life cycle is starting all over again. So maybe we could write that. The life cycle starts all over again. Let's write it. The life cycle. Now the word cycle sounds like it starts with an S, but it's actually the other letter that can make that S sound sometimes. C, yeah. The word cycle starts with a C. The life cycle starts, I hear that R sound. Pirate, what letters do we need? A-R, yeah. Starts. The life cycle starts all over again. Are you remembering to put spaces between your words like I am? Great job. The life cycle starts all over again. And I'm excited about that, so I'm going to put an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Let's read what we have again, just to make sure we have everything in there that we want and that it makes sense. Are you ready? First, a chick hatches from an egg. Next, the chick grows into an adult chicken. Then, the chicken lays some eggs. The life cycle starts all over again. Awesome. Thanks for following along with me, friends, in writing about the life cycle of a chicken. I would love to see a picture of your art projects and your writing. Okay, see you later, kiddos.